information about timber market in Armenia. I can provide some general information about the timber market in Armenia based on what I know. Armenia has a significant amount of forest cover, but the country's forests have been heavily impacted by deforestation, overuse, and illegal logging in the past. As a result, the country's timber market is relatively small, and the majority of the wood used in Armenia is imported. In recent years, the Armenian government has taken steps to increase the sustainability of the country's forests and promote responsible forestry practices. For example, the government has implemented stricter regulations on logging and increased efforts to combat illegal logging. Despite these efforts, the timber market in Armenia remains small and largely focused on local demand for construction materials and fuel wood. The country's timber industry is also facing challenges such as outdated equipment, limited access to modern forestry technologies, and a shortage of skilled labor. Overall, while the timber market in Armenia may not be as large or robust as some other countries, efforts are being made to promote sustainable forestry practices and protect the country's forest resources.